This guy is the largest sandwicher bot in the entire crypto, in Ethereum and in other blockchains. This guy is making hundreds of thousands of dollars in profit every month. And he is the one that is causing you to lose money on every swap, because he front runs and sandwiches every transaction that's on Ethereum and on Uniswap most specifically. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how he does it, how much money he is making on every transaction, and how to beat him so that you can become him if you put in the time and the work and the knowledge to work. So this guy is called Jared from Subway. You probably heard about him. This is the official ETH address. Right now he has about $200,000 in ETH, but he usually has more. And you can see him making transactions multiple times per minute, and those transactions are making him money. He is sending sandwich bundles, which means he is buying before someone. He lets the person buy and then he sells for a profit because he raised the price and sold after that. So let's take a look at a few transactions. Here I have a bundle that he sent. Here you can see he spent 0.18 Ether to buy blocks. Token doesn't matter. This is a generalized sandwich bot. He buys everything he sees on Uniswap and he sells that for a profit if there's a profit opportunity. So he spent that much money to buy this token. The amount is very important, and he sold it for 0.19. You see there's a profit there. The tokens he got 0.19. This all happened in the same block. This is very important. So how much money he made? Let's take a look at the numbers. I calculated those for you, and he made about 0.00059 Ether, or about $0.1. I know what you're thinking. This is very small. It's a very, very small number, but keep in mind that he is competing with the entire world, and people are the one that wins. In this case, Jared from Subway, he wins because he's giving the most to the miners, to the block producers. And even though it may seem small, and it is, he is making those multiple times a minute. Imagine 1,000 times or 10,000 times a day. That really increases in value. That's how much money he made in calculating all the fees, all the inputs and outputs. Let's take a look at another bundle that he sent. In this case, he is selling his tokens that he got before this transaction happened for 0.0146 Ether. This, keep in mind that this bot had those tokens from another transaction that happened maybe 1 hour ago or so, and he sold that Ether that he received for the token, meaning he keeps the token and he sells Ether. But in this case, you see he got the same, pretty much the same amount of tokens that he got before, even though slightly more if you take a look at the numbers, and he repurchased those tokens for slightly less Ether. You see he kept from 14.0 to 14.6, so he kept the difference about 0.006 Ether in profit. So why is he doing that? I mean, you may be thinking like, it's a sandwich transaction, but why is he doing this in the opposite way? Because regularly you buy a token in Ether and you sell the token to get Ether back, but in this case he's keeping the token. In this case, what he's doing is he wants this token called Gamer to increase in value, so he is holding that token for as long as he needs. While he is holding, he is front running sellers and buyers from that token and making money from that. How much money has he made from this transaction? Well, I made the numbers, and it's 0.0017 Ether, or $2.8. Much better than before, and he can execute this multiple times. But the real money maker in this transaction is holding tokens. He holds these tokens, they raise in value, and whenever he decides or there's a seller, he drops those tokens and keeps all the price increase, which is very important. That's a very big money maker, and I bet he is the biggest money maker for him right now. All right, now that we've seen this, let's take a look at how to beat him. Now Jared is a very specialized bot. It's super optimized from the speed and the executions. He has everything done at the smallest detail. But we can, estimate how to beat this guy. In order to beat this guy, you need to spend less gas. You see, he is spending on this buy transaction 123,000 gas. That's a very small amount of gas. A regular transaction may cost you 300,000 or more, because this token in particular has also buy and sell fees. So in order to beat this guy, you need to spend less gas. Then you need to create a bot that detects buy and sell fees, calculates the exact amount that is spent on fees, and front run that transaction. The best way to determine the gas cost is by taking a look at the call data. This is the call data, and this is the information you send to your contract, your MEV sandwich contract. In this case, it's a very small, as you can see, it's a very short string. It's a very short, line of code. The smaller this is, the cheaper your transaction will be, which means you will be able to get more profit from your transaction and beat the competition. So far, he seems to be the one making the lowest gas costs, and that's because of this. If you want to beat him, you need to have a smaller call data than this, and in this string, in this information thing, it's the instructions on what token to buy, how much to buy, and how much to keep from Uniswap v2. Then, as you can see in the sell transaction, it's a bit larger. I don't know why, specifically why, but the transaction costs this much. And you have to take a look at all the gas optimizations that are out there to beat this guy. So in order to beat him, you need to spend less gas, be able to execute the transactions very fast, because these are in the mempool. They are executed without being confirmed yet. You need to execute them in the mempool. And the way to do that is to reduce the call data, optimize your bot, and make sure it's compatible with tokens that have transfer fees, because those are very popular right now. I built myself a detector that detects the buy and sell fees for every token out there in Rust. It took me a while, but it's possible. Now, that's how you beat them. It's a very difficult thing, because you need a very specialized bot and spend months on this. It probably has millions of dollars behind him in teams and development. We've seen how much money he's making. We can, calculate more about this, but on average, he makes $1 or $2 per transaction. But this bot is so optimized that some transactions, he is buying and selling multiple tokens. You can see 1 token, 2 tokens. He is buying and selling multiple tokens on Uniswap v2 and Uniswap v3. These are two main ones. He is not an arbitrage bot, he's a sandwich bot. So he buys and sells those tokens. In one transaction, he did all of that. It's a very impressive thing. But the way he beats the competition is by making more information, by creating more value in a small transaction. So yeah, you can calculate the numbers yourself. In order to calculate the value, the profit that he's making, you simply take the transaction fees from both the buy and sell transaction. You add them together with the amount in this case is this much, and you subtract that from the profit, which is this, and you get the numbers. Alright, so that's all for me, and I hope you liked this video, and let me know if you want to know more about sandwiching and how to beat Jared from Subway. Talk to you soon.